Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of logging into Intuit Mint so you can track your spending quickly and efficiently. Follow these simple step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the Mint website. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Intuit Mint, www.mint.com. Press Enter to navigate to the website. Step 2. Click on Sign In. Once the Mint homepage loads, locate the Sign In button, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Enter your email address. On the login page, you will see fields for your credentials. Start by entering the email address associated with your Mint account. Ensure that you input it correctly to avoid any errors. Step 4. Enter your password. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link below the password entry box and follow the prompts to reset it. Step 5. Click on Sign In. After entering your email and password, click the Sign In button to access your account. Wait a moment as Mint processes your credentials. Step 6. Two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you have two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled on your account, you will need to verify your identity. Check your email or phone for the verification code, enter it on the provided prompt, and click Continue. Step 7. Access your dashboard. Once logged in successfully, you will be redirected to your Mint dashboard. Here, you can monitor your spending, set budgets, and track your financial goals with ease. Step 8. Explore Mint features. Take some time to explore the various features Mint offers. You can categorize your expenses, view financial trends, and connect your bank accounts for automatic tracking. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to log into Intuit Mint. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more finance tips and tricks. Happy budgeting!